Hi there, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexandra from Sala Design, and today I have a small project for you to make, easy and fast. I'll show you how I made my self-draft dress in only a couple of hours. You will need for this dress 1.5 meters of fabric and some elastic. Now you will get to some instructions on how to cut your fabric to make this dress. I started with a sketch where I wrote down all the measurements that I need to take. Take your ruler and start to measure. First, you'll need your waist measurements plus some extra to make gathers. I recommend you between 40 and 50 centimeters to add to your waist circumference. If you want to have more volume, you can go as far as you want it. Second, measure the length of your skirt starting from the waist. For the shoulder line, you can keep the same measurement as in your waist plus seam allowance, or you can make it even larger. To make the neck opening, I will fold the face and the back of the bodice in two. I will measure 13 centimeters on the shoulder line from the center. 8 centimeters down. Make a curved line. Cut it. And pin the shoulder line. And mark and pin where you want your sleeve opening to be. Now it's time to sew the dress. Sew the skirt on the sides, letting the slit as long as you want. For the bodice, sew the shoulder lines and on the side. Use the serger to clean all the edges. For the sleeve opening, just roll the fabric 1 centimeter inside. Do the same for the skirt slit. Sew it. Now attach the skirt to the bodice by pinning them together, starting from the side seams. Sew it. And use the serger to clean the edges. Measure the elastic as long as your waist. Pick a zigzag stitch to attach the elastic. Carefully attach the elastic to the waist of the dress. The final part is to make a bias tape for the neck opening. Cut a long strip on the bias, pin it to the neck opening, sew it, roll and pin the tape covering the edge. And sew it one last time. Now it's time for the grand reveal. After I complained for a long time that the spring didn't hit us, in a week we got this. I took the dress for a walk and got some videos to show you how it fits. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you have any questions or advice, as usual, my comment section is open. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up and share if you learned something new that you like. Until next time, let's find inspiration.